friends! Today we're drawing Kirby! Do you know who Kirby is?
He looks like a Pokemon character, but I don't think he is, right?
Yeah, he's a different game character from Nintendo. He's pink, puffy, and cute. Well, and also powerful is what the website says.
Yes.
Well, all you need is drawing supplies and paper. This one's really simple. You ready? Perfect. Okay, in the middle of the page, you're gonna draw a circle. Try to make a nice round circle. This is Kirby's body. He's just a pink blob. Good. Nice job. Okay, now Kirby has these arms and feet, and they're super easy to draw. We're just gonna draw a nice C curve on each side of the circle. Okay? So one C curve on the left side and another on the right side. Those are his hands or arms. And
They're
then
really stubby.
yeah, he's stubby. So cute, right? And then for his feet, they're gonna be a little rounded triangle. Okay? Because he has big feet. So let's start from the bottom right-hand corner of the circle, and we'll draw a little curved line out and make it into a little bit pointy triangle, but still rounded. And then bring it all the way back in towards the middle of that bottom circle. And we'll draw the same thing on the other side. Good! So we've completed Kirby's body. So simple, right? Now for his face. He has big oval eyes. So let's make sure it's sort of on the top of that circle. And we'll draw one oval on the left side and another one on the right side. And for this one, we'll draw it a little bit different than our other eyes, where we draw an oval, a smaller oval on the top of that. And then we'll only fill in the middle part of the oval with black. So I'm gonna draw one more curved line to divide that other part, and then we'll fill it in. And the reason we're doing this is because Kirby has a blue part on the bottom of his eyes. Yeah, so let's get our blue markers really quick. And then we'll color in this bottom part of his eyes, blue. Yeah, good job. So that's his eyes. And then we'll do his mouth, okay? We're gonna draw an upside down triangle with curved corners. So right on the middle of his eyes, towards the bottom, we'll draw a upside down triangle with corners that are rounded. And then I'm just going to draw a frowny curve in the middle of that for his tongue.
Yeah.
He has these rosy cheeks. So on the side of his eyes, towards the bottom, aligned with the bottom part of his eyes, we're going to draw sideways ovals.
So cute.
So cute. That's it. That's Kirby. Should we get coloring? Let's do it.
Color!
Okay. So let's color him in with pretty pink. Hey, you're doing the feet first too? Me too.
I thought you were gonna do the body first.
Yeah. I decided to do the feet because I like this color. I picked cadmium red.
I picked lipstick red.
Nice. It seems like we're also starting to do some other Nintendo characters, not just the Mario characters, huh?
Yeah.
Art Along friends, check out our Mario characters series. Your dad's a big Kirby fan.
He is?
Yeah, did you know that?
No.
I wonder how many of our Art Along friends have played Kirby games.
Because I haven't.
You're more into Animal Crossing, aren't you? Maybe we'll do Animal Crossing characters. That'd be fun.
Ooh, what if we do, if you could be any character, you would design your own Animal Crossing character.
Oh, yeah. Just like in the game, huh? Yeah, like an Animal Crossing version of your self-portrait. That'd be fun.
Just like Carlita.
Remember Art Along Friends, our Gabby's Dollhouse series? Ooh, I love all those stars.
I'm done.
Wow, that was fast. I'm almost done too. Done. Okay, there it is. Kirby. Well, did you have fun? This one was really simple. Kind of like Luma. Yeah, we love these simple characters. Well, join us next time, Art Along Friends.
Like and subscribe to Art Along.
See ya.
Aw, so cute. Aw, so weird.